I'm saying. I'm telling you, gang beauty. It's really crazy. It's really, really crazy. Because now it shows that it would even make it difficult, because Nick was saying yesterday that it might even make the monetization process so difficult, because you know how when you're getting monetized, they have to review your videos, they have to review that everything is on standard. So if they are placing ads on channels that are not monetized, it means probably they'll not they'll not even care anymore if you have copyright or not. So how would that work? And if you have qualified now for monetization, what will now become of the videos that are already running ads? Will you add your own personal ads on them, or will I still take away the ads that they were already running on your videos without paying you? These are some of the questions I'm having. So if you have any idea, or you can answer on the comment section, let's go. Guys, if you are a small YouTuber, please, for your sake and to always get information, subscribe to Vidark. I've not what Ask Cooking and More. Which one is Vidark? I'm not subscribed to Vidark. I know I'm subscribed to I'm subscribed to a lot of YouTube channels. Thank you, Temi Frosh. Thank you for running me. I'm subscribed to a lot of YouTube channels, and some of these YouTubers that are affiliated to YouTube, but I don't think I'm subscribed to Vidark. So Aunt Cooking, who is Vidark? Yes, it's very important to be with most of these people so that you can really get accurate information. When you get accurate information, you avoid this thing that I hear say. Hearing from people might actually end up hurting your channel instead of building up your channel. You can go on these people's platform and ask your questions directly. VidIQ. Okay, Zara Kechi says VidIQ. I think I'm subscribed to VidIQ, but it's been long I've not been there. I think I'm subscribed to vidIQ. Yeah, you can. You feel free. You can. You can. As Organic Cosmetics, you're so much welcome to the live stream. So I don't know if you had the updates that ads will be running on channels that are not monetized. As such, you as a monetized channel, you might experience, it's not for sure, you might experience a reduction in your revenue. That's what we're discussing. Claytino, hello, wonderful people. Good morning for you all. Thank you so much, Claytino, for coming. You are so much welcome. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for coming. If you are just joining in, please, I'll appreciate if you can share me out. Thank you so much. Claytino, how was your night? Did you have fun at the live yesterday? Did you enjoy the live? Thank you for coming. I was saying that you did not come for my live yesterday and you're here today. I so much appreciate. Yes, that's it. That's what Let me take this highlight.